Welcome to week 3. Last week in module 2, we started studying statistics. We looked at the frequency distributions as well as ways to visualize those with histograms and stem and leaf plots. We also started talking about the middle of a set of data, and we used the measures of central tendency, the mean, median, and mode, to talk about those. Remember that the mean is the one that's going to be affected dramatically by the extreme value or an outlier. I once read about a survey that was conducted at the University of North Carolina in its geography majors, and it was found that the geography majors from there all had a far higher than average starting mean salary, and they could not figure out why. Well, North Carolina, for those of you who are basketball fans, know that that's Michael Jordan's school. And so, of course, his extreme value of his starting salary is going to skew that data and make that mean go much higher. So it's the mean that is affected by those outliers. This week in Module 3, we're going to be continuing our study of statistics, and we're going to be talking about how spread out a set of data is. We're going to talk about measures of dispersion. We're also going to talk about normal distribution, and this is what you would think of when you look at a graph and it looks like that bell-shaped curve. That's a normal distribution, so we're going to be working with that as well. In this module, you will also be completing milestone 1, which is going to go towards your final project. So as you get into milestone 1, if you have any questions, please be sure to ask me. Otherwise, let's get right into module 3.